we woke up with 79% state of charge. It tells us that we have 99.59 hours for this battery to be depleted. This is the energy monitor, and the solar already started. Now what is happening? The refrigerator is running, so you can see the 18 watt as is just been offset, because what is coming in from the solar right now is about 73 watt. I will show you in a minute. And the only thing that is taken out from the battery at this point is minus 1.30 amps. We're sitting at 14.8. We've been running all day, all night. This is a portable generator I built with lithium iron phosphate 18650 Panasonic, the CGR batteries from Battery Hookup. So let's check the power that is coming in right now. You see we're offsetting that load. I showed you current earlier, and this is what is coming. So 70 watt plus we are borrowing 22 watts and 1.51 amps, and we put in 4.7 amps to offset what the refrigerator is running right now. So the time right now is just past 8. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. The sun just started coming up. In a way, it's not up to the horizon yet, or the way we used to have it, since we are still on the winter solstice. So I just woke up, guys. I'm trying to give you a roundup here. I did some work yesterday on the solar, and I just want to show you what's happening right at the JW Solar USA. So I'm just giving you a tour here. There goes the shunt, and I incorporated something unique yesterday. This is the weather station, and that's a sensor right there, so I can able to sense the temperature inside the box. Just experimental, so I can able to use it as it's out here, and it's gonna act like it's outside. It's inside here, sorry, but it's gonna act like it's outside. So if I have to read, now it tells me the temperature in this box is approximately 74.4, while inside the house is 72.1. So I can give you a close look here and see exactly what I'm talking about. Stay tuned. That's exactly what I did. So I improvised. So I found this device on a sale, which I can pass because the batteries were in the case, the packaging that comes with it, and it's still enclosed, but the batteries are all rotten, and they're on the pack because the way they packed it from the manufacturing plant. So it was sitting on the side corner where all this case is already covered around, and the batteries are all gross and nasty to look at. So I decided to buy it anyway. It's a salvage place, so overstock. So I decided to buy it and just mess around with it. Pop this guy and put some batteries in there. Boom, it works. And this guy here, put the batteries, boom, it sinks right away. I say, okay, I'll find something to do with this guy. So I decided to so okay, maybe I can throw it in that box. So this is gonna be the outside. This one here, the outside, that's the device I have inside here. Okay, the inside right there. So I use the outside as this, so you can see the temperature started going up. So it says about 74 earlier. Because the charging process already started here. We started putting some watts, and let me show you what the meter is reading right now. So we dropping 0. Oh, okay, now it's going up. I think MPPT is tracking. We went up, yeah, was tracking. And this is what we are taking from the battery, 0.89, 11 watts. Pretty soon this guy is going to start flashing. That means it's charging. We're not borrowing anymore from the batteries. So it comes out completely now 80. Oh, that's interesting. Let me slide this. You see, you like, how do you like my sliding door? It works pretty well for me. I don't know about you, but tell me what you think. We're pushing some power. We bring in 5.4, 5.6, and the batteries started going up 15 volt. On the monitor, it still says 14.8. So you see, we're almost gaining 100. It says 99.59, 99 hours, 59 minutes. So now it's changing. We're dropping drastically the borrowing from the amps. If I have an amp now, and we are now in the 80s. So guys, let's check the temperature again. That's what it is. So this is working, and I'm just messing around with it. So this guy says 14.9. I just want to keep you posted, and we will back with more videos live on this right here at the command center in Minnesota with the JW Solo USA. Stay tuned. The fan just kicks in, and it's just cooling the inverter, and we are dropping almost 9 watt. We're borrowing half an amp from the batteries. State of charge is 79 79% state of charge, and the temperature in the box started rising about 75.2. So we're going up to the 90s now, fast approaching the 100. Then we're gonna stop borrowing from the batteries. So that means 91 plus borrowing about 9, okay, about 10 watts. 10 watts we're borrowing now. It's dropping. So guys, I just want to show you what the midnight does. I was thinking about putting the classic 150 when I was going to connect it to see how it tracks with the MPPT algorithm, but we're still waiting to see how things go. Stay tuned. Just gonna show you how the sliding door works. Back in position to the charge controller. Start on it. Like and subscribe. We are now borrowing only 2 watt. Is negative 0.17. It's now 1 watt. Is a watt. Okay, now we started charging. Oh, we missed that again. He went to the positive instead of minus, and I think it hits the 100 right here because my high is on the monitor. Well, I think I try to make it interesting here. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but let's see if we can able to improvise here. I don't know if it's possible, if you can able to see. Okay, there we go, side by side. I just lost that focus right there on the charge controller. There you go. Look what is happening. The transition. Side by side. Oh, 0 watt. Oh. Okay, now we went to the positive. You see that 0.0711. We're going up. So we're on the 96. We put in the 6.6 amps. It's coming from the solar. And this guy right here Oh, we just went back to the minus. Okay, we went back to the positive. You can see the arrows are flashing here to tell you that the load that is coming out from the freezer or refrigerator, oh, we hit the 100. So with that putting point 22, it's fluctuating. So this is nice. See? Oh, the monitor started flashing and it stopped. There you go. There we go. Now we already zero out. So we put in 2 watts. Nice stop. So we're holding there to 0, 0. As soon as I started going more up, we're bringing more amps. Look at that. From the charge control, like nice flashing. So that's how this battery monitor works. Okay, we're flashing. We put in 100 watts now on the charge controller. Well, I thought I found it interesting to show you guys how everything works. You see how it started flashing? The screen. Look at the arrows are pointing on the amp hours. Here. See that? Where's my finger? Right there. See the arrows pointing up? Flashing, that means we're charging. We have 15 volts now. And the charge controller, not a monitor. So this is what it is, guys. Just want to show you how catch all this movement for you guys, how everything is working here at the JW Solar USA in Minnesota Command Center. Pretty soon that percentage 79 is going to be changing to 80. Thanks for watching. Love you guys all, and stay tuned for more to come on a Sunday morning here in Minnesota.